Welcome back, coders. Today we are diving into another fantastic problem from the world of algorithms, the next permutation. So, in this problem, we have given an array and we have to return a next lexicographically greater permutation. So, what this is even mean is lexicographical permutation you can think of like a sorted dictionary. Like we have suppose we have only A, B, and C words. So next word from this. So in this dictionary, our next word is like A, C, B, and then next word is starting from the B and A, C, then B, C, A, like this. And if we have given a ABC as an input, we have to return a next permutation, which is in our case is this ACB. So this is how we have to do with the numbers. So let's I am right for a, let's I am right for the ABC. So I will just remove this. Just a second. Now let's write for 1 2 3. All the permutation of 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 2 1. So uh, we have given this as an input. So what we're gonna have to return is this is this string as an output. So in the example number one, as you can see over here, we have given a 1 2 3 as an input and we are returning 1 3 2 as a output. So this is the problem. So let's think about how to solve this problem. So as you can observe in this array, every number is every number is greater than its previous number, its next number. Sorry, every number is greater than its previous number. So 132 is greater than 123. Let's change the color. So 321 is greater than 312. 312 is greater than 231. 231 is greater than 213. So all numbers are in a sorted. And if we have given a this 213 as an input, we have to return a next possible greatest element. So in our cases, if we have given a 231 as the input, we have to return a a 2 sorry, if we have given a 231 as an input, so we have to return 312 as an output. So this is our problem. So let's think about how we will gonna solve this problem. Let me erase this everything. Okay. Now, sorry, I will erase this. Now, let's take another big example like 4, 6, 5, 4, 9, 6, 5, 3, sorry, 3. So, and 1. So, this is our uh, array is the input. So what we're gonna do is we will find a element which is greater than its previous element. So we will start from over here and we will start from the end of the list and check whether and start from here, second last element, and check whether its number is greater than its next number is or not. If it's whether this number is lesser than its next number or not. If yes, then we will stop over there, but in this case it's not, then we will move our pointer to the next, and then again we will check whether this condition is true or not. No, then we will again move to the next element, check again we will gonna check whether this condition is true or not. Our element is smaller than next element or not. No. 9 is great smaller than 6 or not. No. So again we will going to next. Now we will find 4 is smaller than 9. So we find that element. So what we're gonna do is we will save this I index for 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will save this index. And now what we will gonna do is we will gonna find a next greater element of this. We will gonna find a next greater element of this 4. Like in our case, a 4. We will gonna find a next greater element than 4. So in our case, there are so many elements like 5, 6, 9. So we will gonna pick a smallest element from among this. So then we will gonna again traverse through this array and we will find this index of the 5. So let me rewrite this: 4, 9, 6, 5, 3, 1. So we will find this index like j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So j equal to 6. Now we will gonna swap these two elements. So after performing a swap, this is first step, this is second step, this is third step. After performing a swap, our list should look like this: 9, 6, 4, 3, 1. Now, what we're gonna do is in a step 4, we will just reverse this whole array. Reverse this whole array. 4, 6, 5, 5, 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. By using this, we are able to find a next greater element. Okay, this is how we will gonna solve this problem. So let's write all the steps from the beginning. In the first step, what we will gonna do is we will just check whether nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1 or not. When we find this, we will break through the loop and save the index I. In second step, we will find a greatest element from the I. We will find a target which is greater than I. In step 3, we will swap target and nums of I. And step 4, we will reverse I from I plus 1 index to end of the array. So this 4 step we will going to do to solve this problem. Let's write a code for this problem. So let's write a code. First of all, we are going to write a step 1, finding a I. We will start from second last index. Okay. Then we will check while I is greater than equal to 0. So our index, we will not get index out of bound error, and nums of I is greater than equal to nums of I plus 1, greater than equal to nums of I plus 1. Till now we will decrement our I. After that we reach to our I. Now let's write a step 2. Step 2, j equal to len of nums minus 1, and while j is greater than 0 and nums of I is greater than equal to nums of j, we will decrement our j. After that, we reach to step 3 in which we get an index of I and j. So now what we gonna do is we will gonna swap these two elements, nums of I and nums of j. So by this statement we just swapping these two elements. Now step 4. In step 4, we have to reverse remaining array. So we will start from the I plus 1 till length of the last element, while start is less than equal to end, nums of start, nums of end is equal to nums of end Okay, and we will decrease increment our start variable and decrement our and air variable. This is the pretty code. But here there is one catch. If we have a last permutation, like in a example number 2, then we are not able to find any I, which say we are not able to any find I which is greater than its next element. So 2 is greater than is 1, 3 is greater than 2, so on. We are not able to find any cases like 2. In our case, 2 and 3. So if we are in a last permutation, so we have to return a first permutation. So in this case, we reach to the that case where our i's become -1. So if our I become -1, then we will just simply reverse our array. Okay, and we will just return. This is the pretty code. Let's run for any compilation error. No, let's submit this code. Okay, thank you for watching this video.